If you're looking for a simple solution to improve your sales performance and increase sales results, you've come to the right place. My name is Ray Patterson. I'm a sales trainer and conference speaker. Everything that I speak about in my training programs and my sales talks is based on personal experience rather than internet research. I've had a lifetime's experience in sales and sales management. I've sold soap and toothpaste to cafes and supermarkets. I've sold cigarettes and tobacco to concession stores on the mines. And I spent many years selling home improvements to husband and wife after hours in the evenings. I've been a general account salesman, a key account salesman, sales manager, sales director and group managing director. I've also been a successful business owner. I had my own business for 19 years. And after closing that business a few years ago, I now do what I really enjoy doing most, and that's speaking to salespeople, training salespeople, and inspiring a professional attitude in sales. I inspire salespeople to be enthusiastic and excited about going out and selling. I inspire salespeople to be proud of themselves and to be proud of what they do, because nothing ever happens until a salesperson sells something. I believe that salespeople can only be successful in the selling situation when you're sitting face to face with your customers if you are really enthusiastic about what you're doing, if you're really motivated to be there. And therein lies the problem. There seems to be a missing link between the salesperson who on the one hand has all the knowledge, skills and ability to be successful, but on the other hand is not achieving their full potential in sales, and in most cases not achieving their sales targets. I meet with sales managers, sales directors, company owners, CEOs, anyone responsible for driving a sales team. I meet with these people on a regular basis to discuss their sales training requirements. And one question that is always asked is, how do you get salespeople to go out and do what they should be doing? Salespeople know what they should be doing, but they just don't go out and do it. I developed a training program 3 years ago to answer this question. It's called RAP Selling. Now, RAP is an acronym that stands for the 3 key characteristics that I believe make a professional salesperson. They are responsibility, accountability, and pride. Any salesperson who takes on these characteristics will automatically go from whatever level you're at up to the next level. You don't have to improve your closing techniques. You don't have to go on a course to learn how to overcome objections. Just become responsible, accountable, and proud, and you'll see an immediate difference in your sales results. First of all, you are responsible for improving your knowledge and your skills. It is not the company's responsibility to continually provide sales training. It is your responsibility as a salesperson to improve your knowledge and skills on a regular basis. The second thing is to be accountable for sales targets. Look at your sales targets and then work out what you need to do to achieve those targets. So it's a case of, instead of looking for excuses, look for solutions. The difference between being responsible and accountable is that if you're accountable for something, there are consequences if you don't achieve that. And then finally, be proud. Be proud of who you are and be proud of what you do.